How to change home address on Uber app. First of all, launch open the Uber app. Now you want to log into your account. To change home address, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, tap on Settings. Now, under App Settings section, you will find Home. Go ahead and tap on that. If you haven't already added home address, you simply want to add it. Now, if you've already added your home address and you want to change it, then there are two ways. The first one is to tap on the Set Location on Map option. Then you simply want to move the map and then set it to your home location. Once that is selected, tap on Done. Another way to change it is tap on the search bar and then simply search for your location. Once you have found it, tap on that. And with this, your home address has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.